you can wear both. And I still feel Māori with my legs done. I still feel Samoan with my face done.
If I can try and intertwine, lay some bits over, is perfect. When I got my kauae done, I could feel like a huge sense of relief. I had been having recurring dreams of this kuia saying, come on. And so I just felt extremely overcome by comfort.
It was like nothing I expected. It was so much worse. Like so much worse than I could have first thought.
In the first 5-10 minutes?
I know, within the first 2 minutes I was like, what have I got myself into? I had a lot to compare it to because I've been through so many wānanga pūporo. But being on the whala and feeling it myself, yeah.
For me, it was a perfect way to blend in who I am, to intertwine and make those connections. I think being here was a big thing for my Māori side and my grounding.
Growing up, I was always a lot stronger or closer with my taha Māori. And once I decided it was definitely more of a natural progression to just moko kanohi. He kōrero Māori, te kāinga, ai, mahi ngā moananga, kororatu i ngā pūrākau ki ngā tamariki. No ngā pūrākau no te kāinga, koira ngā me nui ki au.
My in-laws are really cool. I get to be a part of the birthdays, the weddings, everything, and that helps me grow that side.
Seeing my family, thinking about my nan and the memories I have with her because she passed when I was quite young. And even something as simple as seeing as a hibiscus flower, I'm like, there's my Samoan side coming through, yeah.
I think it's going to be seen a lot more, as it goes through the years. In particular, my son, his mum already said.
Oh yeah, like he's not to touch his leg. He's not allowed to give him pūhoro.
Oh, I'd love to see it all. I've seen one malu on the Matasini stage. Yeah, seeing it more, it would be the best.